No more shaky hands or blurry mess. Canon XA60 locks in 4K perfection. Ever felt like your camera is actively plotting against your content schedule? Blurry footage, lagging autofocus, janky stabilization, it's like filming in the Stone Age with a potato. Whether you're live streaming, law documenting, or racing against a client deadline, using outdated or clunky gear is a one-way ticket to burnout. You need footage that pops, audio that snaps, and a workflow that doesn't make you scream into your coffee mug. The real pain? Wasting hours fixing footage that should have been clean the first time. And just when you think it couldn't get worse, your camera decides to play Guess Who's in Focus, or die mid-recording during a once-in-a-lifetime moment. You're juggling SD cards like a circus act, chasing down phantom audio glitches, and praying to the pixel gods for steady video. Every shoot becomes a high-stakes gamble, with stress eating your deadlines alive and burnout lurking like a jump scare. Missing timestamps for legal docs? Can't stream without a tech exorcism? Say less, this is cinematic sabotage. Enter the Canon XA60 Professional 4K Camcorder, the content wizard your dear bag's been begging for. With a killer 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor and Digic DV6 brain, this beast captures razor-sharp 4K UHD and buttery Full HD like a dream. Its 20x optical zoom lens pulls in every detail from miles away, while the ProGrade 5-axis image stabilization laughs in the face of shaky hands. Face detection autofocus? Locked. Detachable handle with 2 XLR ports? Boom, studio quality sound, anywhere. Legal timestamp overlays? You're courtroom ready, baby. Need speed? The Canon XA60 speaks your language. With dual SD slots, USB-C live streaming, a flip-friendly 3.5-inch touchscreen, and HDMI out, you're not just recording, you're dominating. Whether you shoot MP4 or XF-AVC in slo-mo or hyperspeed, every clip feels like it came out of a Hollywood-grade pipeline. No fuzz, no stutter, no excuses. Plug it into your PC, go live, zoom in 800x, or walk and film with smooth as butter stabilization. This camcorder doesn't just keep up, it pulls you ahead. Here's the deal, your projects deserve more than May equipment. Say goodbye to gear that holds you back and hello to pro-level tools that elevate your hustle. The Canon XA60 isn't just a camera, it's a productivity weapon. Whether you're a legal indie filmmaker, or streaming machine, this is your moment. Don't sleep on it, stock is tight, deadlines are brutal, and legends don't wait. Snag the Canon XA60 now and shoot like the pro you were born to be.